big. Mine are big.
Girl, you tryna trap me. Out here now, nigga, no I ain't. You can hit that door, here, go ahead, leave. Let's have a sex talk, huh? Wanna see your body, take your clothes off, huh? I'ma bust quick, keep your lips off, hey. Rock that.
What's up, y'all? I'm finna try the Popeyes spicy chicken sandwich. Cause I wanna see what's the hype about. I ain't got nothing to talk about.
Years later.
All right, you too. What?
We more, man. We come back down. By that time, we stop by Sunday. The church, then we get them back towards home.
Y'all see me? That would be.
Mine would be. You record me good.
Hot.
You want it spicy?
No, I'm not screaming hot. It's straight. It's straight.
Maybe.
It'll be. I like it. You like it?
It's hot, so. Back to West Coast and then
Hot. I will. I don't know if I see steam. Really hot.
yeah.
Meat falling out.
Meanwhile.
But what I was gonna say, yeah, I was in class one day and I had put that little. Hold it.
I told you you used that one of candy apple. That one ain't no good one.
Yeah, that's the one you gave me. You didn't give me no one but that one.
I didn't mean to give you that. I mean, well, I meant to actually throw it away because I called myself, hey guys, for me, that one of candy apple, it going like, wait, I don't like that.
Had me looking like Shanae.
The girl that had her looking like Shanae. If I tell you, put that shit, just throw that shit away.
That's how I like my lip gloss. That's how I put regular lip gloss on.
Oh Lord. Well, I got two more. Well, one at the house, one in my purse. Let me put that one on. I got the red looking one, but it ain't red. And I like that one. I like mine from Bath & Body Works. It make us look real pretty. It go on me.
Y'all can see me. Okay, y'all can see me this side. But I'm finna go in this mark. I gotta give me some lashes, some chopsticks, rubber bands, and lip gloss. Cause people wanted me to try this little hairstyle thing with the chopsticks. That's what people be doing now. And I didn't plan on going to the classes, but since I am do my hair, and try to make myself look like somebody. Cause right now I look like a bum. Yeah. You should have signed your name with your finger.
Yeah, I had put it. I didn't realize that that was my last water bottle that I had drunk yesterday.
That's pretty.
I got a big one up in the car. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Me too. Might not have to write in cursive for the thing to be. I don't know how to write in cursive. Bro, I just pulled on the door and it said push. I'm getting so retarded. But I always do that. Look at that light, baby. Look at this skin, baby. Period. Stop playing. Get video, get rolled dope. Now I don't know where we finna go. But yeah, I'm gonna miss y'all. Bye.
Me, I ain't tryna wait. I can't be fucked with, no. Ho, you can't touch this. Ayy, bitch, I do rich shit, huh? Mama